Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass and 7 jeans to religion. I say no, but they keep giving.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Renance, aka Miss.Cameroon. I am back with a new video. So if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and join the crew. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig, guys. I've never had 40 inches. Like, wow, this is long. This is very long. If you're interested to see more and learn more about this wig, then definitely keep on watching.
All I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs.
Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited for this wig today. This hair is by ZURY. So I'm just gonna show you how I put the wig on my head while using Got to Be glue and, like, you know, doing the baby hair and everything. That's how the box, you know, the packaging come. The packaging is always so beautiful. I really like this right here, like the afro flower butterflies. Like, this is so beautiful. Okay, I really thought that the other wig they sent me last time was long. It's not long. This is long. First thing I can tell already that this wig is so soft. I love the texture. The wig is not like super duper full, but at the same time it's like, it looks like human hair. Now let's talk about how the inside of the wig looks. So you see it has like the little comb in the, well, this is a big comb in the back, and then 2 in the side, and then it has the lace. The lace is so soft. The lace, oh my god.
Cartoons in my head where you rest when I'm writing my tune. Say, ooh, I love yes the way you undress all my stress when I'm thinking of you. Yeah. Now I'm back in no frame like I'm lost in LA and I don't have Pro Tools. Won't you fill up my void with your love?
Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to adjust the straps in the back. So now let me put it on my head. Okay. Bruh. Y'all, oh my god, I have to go to the big mirror to see this because I can't really see it yet.
But I'm okay with that. Señorita, you might have set me back, but girl, I'm still on track. Señorita, you never liked my style. I wasn't worth your while. Señorita, wanted to see you smile, but you was oh so fine. Señorita, don't wanna text me back, but I'm okay with that. Señorita, you might have set me back, but girl, I'm still on track. Señorita, you never liked my style. I wasn't worth your while. Señorita, wanted to see you smile, but you was oh so fine.
My flat iron, and it's by DUVOLLE. I know the name kind of went away, but because I stay using it a lot, I love it. So I'm gonna put the discount code. You know, there's a discount code if you want to go get this. So this takes about, it goes to 150 degrees, but the hair says you can only go to 400. We're gonna see if you can go to 450. Okay, so I'm gonna just put it on 450 and see what happens.
Why, say, I tried to say hi to your pretty blue eye, but I'm not to your view. Yeah, my friends ask me why did I spend all my time conversating about you. See, I guess it's the way that I dream of your face when I think of us two. I tried to chase, I've been looking for you, but you've been dodging my moves. Señorita, don't wanna text me back.
Guys, so I am finally done with this wig. And I'm about to tell you guys my review and what I think and all that stuff. And did not get like super tangled, but I feel like it will get tangled. This wig is so nice. It's so long. Oh my god, it like passes my butt, and I'm 5'9". So if you are a short girl and you know you want the wig to freaking touch your kneecap, bitch, get this wig. Another thing what I don't like about this hair is like there's so many flyaways. I already tried everything. I used the Got to Be glue blasting free spray. This is what I use on my hair. Like I just spray it and then brush it out, and that's what makes it not have flyaways, but this wig just, the flyaways are everywhere. It's crazy. Like, I really tried. Definitely get this because, bitch, this wig will make you look like Nicki Minaj, like Naomi Campbell. Know anything else about this hair? Definitely comment down below and let me know. Like, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.
You might have set me back, but girl, I'm still on track. Señorita, you never liked my style. I wasn't worth your while. Señorita, wanted to see you smile, but you was oh so fine. This is for all those that you said I wasn't cool and shit. The bitches ain't suck my